On this episode.
Thank you. How much is your jersey? You want it? She says 200. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm walking with a legend to these yard sales.
Taffy about to fall on her face.
How much are your boots right there?
We basically resell and
In today's video, we're going to a bunch of yard sales. You hear me? A bunch. Before we get into these yard sales, let me show you guys this clip. I was in an area that I wasn't familiar with, and I spotted a thrift store. So y'all know I had to stop. And look what I found. Wow. Yes, y'all saw that right. I got a guitar, Hero Live, brand new sealed in the box for $12.99. Like, you can't make this stuff up. I was sitting there in the thrift store looking like, huh? And y'all, somebody already offered me $100 on OfferUp, but I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna hold out. I think I get around like $140, $150 for it. Listen, let's get this money. Would y'all have took the $100 though? Let me know, comment down below. Don't make me remind y'all I'm in Cali. Stuff is high. Speaking of high, I had to get some new tires on the Prius. It's always something, but let's get into the video. Around. It's a new day, it's a Saturday, and we're going to some garage sales. And guess what? We got a special guest with us today. All right, Candy Crew, look who we got with us.
what's up, Candy Crew?
Mr. I for Profit himself, aka Vincent.
That's right. Take it. Take it. Hold it down, okay?
Hi, how much is your mouse?
Let me see. $2.
$2, okay.
And then I have this.
$4. Okay, put inside, okay?
That's fine. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, thank you.
All right. And $2 for the mouse. Thank you.
I got this backpack for little Vince.
Uh-oh. You got
Starting
Minecraft.
to like Minecraft.
All right, y'all. As y'all saw, I got that mouse for $2, brand new sealed. I love getting electronics brand new sealed, especially when they're vintage, because those hold value. Because guess what? You can't get them no more. So even if I have to sit on it, I don't mind. It's $2, and I think I could sell it for at least $40. Listen, get that money. Airbags. Morning.
Do you guys have more shoes?
No, that's all I got. I'm sorry.
How much is this one?
Those ones 5.
5?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Is the wagon for sale?
Oh, no, not that
No
one.
bag.
Wait a minute.
We have
have brand new clothing as well with a mix of old and sweaters and jeans.
Okay. I feel very tempted by these chips, but it's too early. It's too early.
When they too late for me, how much are they? I get some. I support.
Oh, thank you.
Supposed to be on a diet, but I'll be alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. How much is the screen?
It's a computer. It's $50. What's the thing right there? It's a computer.
Does it work?
Yeah, I work on computers.
Okay, let me see. My cousin might want it.
I have another two windows.
What you think?
I'll look it up.
Where's the model number?
It's the
Oh, right there. Hmm. Hmm. Have a good one. Good luck. Did y'all see how fast I spotted that iMac? I'm like, Vincent was like, it ain't worth too much. So we left it there. You know, if it don't make profit, it don't make sense. Hi.
Just ask, good morning. Everything's super cheap. Ready to go. Out the window. Okay.
Oh, look at those Nikes.
Can I see this one?
Yeah. These are 15. They're Doc Martens.
Oh.
Okay. And Nike?
The Jordans, these ones too are 15. Okay. Those are the only things that are my super expensive. My daughter brought me those.
I was thinking about the bowling ball, but
What about the helmet?
I was thinking, let me see. How much is the ball?
Which one?
The black one.
I wanted to sell like the pair. If I could get $10 for both of them. I'll sell them to you for 5 and 5 if you take both.
Okay.
Take one at 8, and if you take the 2, I'll give them for 10. But these are like back from the 50s. These ones.
So you do both for 10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You know?
Ooh, what's that smell? Ooh.
We'll come back if we're going to get them, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Or if you take both of them right now, $8 for both of them. I just want them. I want them gone.
It's okay. We'll think about
Okay.
it.
No worries.
Yeah, nah, 'cause I'm seeing the ones that are selling are like really cool looking. There's the angle one. 99 best offer.
Yeah, because wasn't this the blue one for $19.99? Yeah, I'm like,
That's not worth it. Carrying it back to the
That's
car.
listen, I was thinking about that more than anything. Oh, there go the black one, $19.99 again. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
And they stink. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to get those bowling balls and the bowling shoes, but they had this horrible smell to it. I was like, I'm like, Vincent. He like, nah, just leave them. So we left them there. I like, Rockaware? It's the Rock RJZ.
How much for this one? $10. $10? Okay.
I knew the boots were worth some money when he put them in his bag before he even paid her. So y'all, Vincent snagged this for me. I would have never looked at a music box. Uh-oh, can I open it? And it still works. Listen. It could be unisex. $2. She better get like around 40, 50. Yeah. How much is your jersey?
6. What?
How much is this t-shirt right here?
Eh? 5.
$5?
Yeah.
Okay. You know who this is? Can you do 3?
That's okay.
Okay. Thank you. you.
Okay, thank you.
As y'all saw, I got the Nike Mexico jersey. I love getting jerseys because they don't take up that much space in my storage and they sell fast. Listen. And y'all, wait. Some of these prices at the sales, I was like, come again? I almost thought I was at Nordstrom's, Macy's, Saks Fifths. Check out these prices. How much you selling your shoes for? He loves shoes.
Which ones?
How much are each?
Alright, so each of these for 160, you can throw me an offer. And then these, I'm thinking like 250.
Oh, okay. How much is it again?
200.
200? Okay. You want it? She says 200. Hi, how much is your shirt?
40.
40? How much are your shoes? 30? How much are your 30?
No, thank you.
20 minutes later.
How much is this one?
That one is 20.
20?
Yeah, they're new.
$2.15 for this one? Come on. What about the other jackets?
$10.
10?
I have faith in you. She said she wouldn't do 15.
No, she said they paid too much.
You have a bag?
You want to pay it?
Okay, that's perfect, yeah.
Yeah, my dollar live in this.
Oh, only one time?
Only one time.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all, why can't I find a size on that Harley Davidson jacket? I'm like, ugh. But no matter what, I'm pretty sure positive that I can get at least $100 for it. It's a vintage, authentic Harley Davidson jacket from 2006. So $20 into like $100, you cannot beat that. Yeah. Got me carrying stuff, y'all. The whole block is full of sales. But it's a beautiful day and we get some deals. Vincent checking out the TV. Let me show y'all.
I need something.
They have the remote?
Yes.
The TV is going for $300 on eBay. Wow.
You want to pay it or you want me to take it?
No, you take it. No, you good. All right, y'all. We walking back to the car. Mr. I for Profit himself, y'all. Listen, I'm walking with a legend to these yard sales. He are killing them.
What can I say? I got experience. I'm like 5 years in.
Yeah.
Experience. She
Tell
asked
him.
for 50.
Uh-huh.
Well, at first I said 15. Like, I didn't know if she said 15 or 50. She said 50. Then I said, what's your best price? She said 45. I offered her 25 and she thought about it and she just said, yeah. And it's going for like, honestly, I see a lot going for like around 150, but some are going for 300. So we'll see.
And that one has the remote, so you can get way more.
Yep, vintage gaming TVs. That's what you search for. Gaming TVs.
And it's Sony, y'all.
Yeah,
And it's
this
Sony.
one's Sony, and I looked it up by its model. The taffy about to fall on her face.
I'm trying to get some content for y'all. Almost fell. Look, we'll catch y'all in a second. Hold on, I got stuff in my hands. We'll be back.
Yeah. And then it's like, yeah, no.
She was like, y'all, you can leave it and come back. Vince was like,
No way.
Right?
No.
Look, y'all, the whole block is full of sales.
Yep.
This was the best day to come. And Vincent invited me, y'all.
Yep.
And this is so dope.
Told her, this is where we should have came. They was doing the same thing. That same Saturday we was out
For
in
real?
the boonies.
Yeah.
But it was just one neighborhood over. It was Southgate.
Oh.
This week is Wynwood. So we
Yeah.
would have been walking around just hitting yard
Correct.
sales.
The TV has already sold on eBay for $300 and it was a local pickup. I'll be honest, I had a little small bag of chips, but I think I walked them off by now. Woo!
Earlier, we was too early out.
Yeah.
I was like, Don't embarrass me out here. I didn't MsTaffy. Ain't no yard sale.
Yo, we've been out here since 7 in the morning. Now it's people out here.
What time is it?
Hold on.
Excuse me.
How much are your boots right there? Oh, the brown boots? 50? Okay.
Yeah. They're brand new. They're about $300 boots.
What's the best you could do on them?
I'll take 40.
What size are
They're 10 wide, I think.
they? I think 30 would be good.
Did you have the box one, those?
I do not.
Would you be cool with 30?
Say again?
Would you be cool with 30?
Nah, I can't.
Yeah, because we basically resell and we're really seeing more like 60, 75 in those.
For the selling those?
Yeah.
New?
Yeah, it's kind of like a hard sell to like push for
yeah,
100.
because they don't have
But honestly, I do see some people are asking like really, really high, like how you said. But when I look at like what people are paying, it's like a lot lower. Like that one. 90, 50. So even you right here, 70. And then we pay fees after that, like 10, 15. So it's kind of like.
I'll do 35 then.
35?
Yep.
All right, I'll do 35. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
No worries. Thank you.
That's a guitar, huh?
The key.
No, the little pink one, but that's not it.
It is a guitar, but I would have been looking at the other.
What's it, key?
Next to it.
Oh. I don't know what that is. What? You seen this?
I think it's some kind of an instrument. Oh no. That looks like a Ross pickup.
You want that? Go ahead and take it.
Nah, well, did you
Just
want
take
it?
it. Just take it, man.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
That stuff I gotta take back.
Got the Hello Kitty. I could just get this to my little cousin or something. Get that money. Get that money. I see those boots. I thought, them some shit. I don't know what they is, but it was some money.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
I'm glad you looked them. You said something because when I saw Rocky, I would have just been like, eh.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, the boots already sold on eBay, y'all. Now check out this selling price. Let's go.